First we are opening colors. Sky blue color. And the next one is blue color. Stay with us. Kids, the next one is brown color. Brown color. Dark green color. Yeah, orange color. Kids, the next one is red color. Red color. Dark pink color. And the next one is light pink color. Yellow color. Green color. Black color. Purple color. White color. And the last one is silver color. First we're using the color of blue. Blue color. And now we're writing A. A for apple. The next one is B. B for ball. C. C for cow. C for cat. D. D for dog. Red color. Now we're using the color of red. The alphabet of E. E for egg. E for elephant. F. F for fish. G. G for goat. And the next one is H. H for hand. Yellow color. Now we're using the color of yellow. I. J. K. L. Dark green color. Now we're opening the color of dark green. M. N. O. P. P for penguin. Orange color. Orange color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Silver color. 6. SIX 6. 7, 8. EIGHT 9. NINE 9. 10. TEN 10. Color. The next one is cool gray color. Cool gray color. Geranium color. Geranium color. Emerald green color. Emerald green color. Yellow color. Yellow color. Light violet color. Stay with us. Pastel pink color. Pastel pink color. And the next one is Persian blue color. Persian blue color. Black color exactly. Scarlet color. Scarlet color. The next one is pale pink color. Lavender color. First we are using the color of Persian blue. A. A for apple. B. B for ball. C. C for cow. D. D for doll. E. E for egg. F. F for fish. G. G for goat. Now we're using the color of yellow. Yellow color. H. H for hand. I. I for eyes. J. J for joker. K. K for kite. L. L for lion. M. M for moon and for mango. N. N for nose and for nest. The next one is O. Kids, now we're using the color of pale pink. The alphabet of O. O for octopus. P. P for parrot. Q. Q for queen. R. R for rose. R for rice. S. S for snake. T. T for tiger. Kids, now we're using the color of geranium and writing the alphabet of U. U for umbrella. V. V for van. W. W for wolf. X. X for Xmas tree. Y. Y for yolk. Z. Z for zoo. Z for zebra. Pastel pink color. And the next one is cool gray color. Scarlet color exactly. Cream color. Cream color. Pale pink color. Pale pink color. Yellow color. Kids, the next one is lavender color. Now we're opening the color of emerald green. Emerald green. Geranium color. The next one is black color. Stay with us. Persian blue color. The next one is, the last one is light violet color. First we are using the color of emerald green. Now we are using emerald green color. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. The next one is H. Pale pink color. H, I, J, K, L, M, N. The next one is O. Now we're using the color of black. Black color. O, P, Q, R, S, T, U. The next one is V. Now we're using the color of scarlet. Scarlet color. V, W, X, Y. The last one is Z. Light violet color. Stay with us. Persian blue color. Scarlet color, exactly. Kids, the next one is, yellow color. And the next one is cream color. Cream color. The next one is emerald green color. Stay with us. Kids, the next one is lavender color. And the next one is pastel pink color. Pastel pink color. Pale pink color. Geranium color. Cool gray color. And the next one is black color. Now we're writing capital letter alphabets A to Z. Stay with us. First we're using the color of black. And now we draw the alphabet of A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E, E, F, F, G, G. Scarlet color. Now we're using the color of scarlet. H, H, I, J, J. And the next one is K. K for kite. L, M, N. The next one is O. Now we're using the color of yellow. Yellow color. Stay with us. O, P, Q, R, S, T. Kids, the next one is U. Now we're using the color of light violet color. U, V, W, X, Y, Z. The last one is Z. Light violet color, black color, cream color, scarlet color, geranium color, Persian blue color, lavender color, yellow color, cool gray color, pale pink color, pastel pink color, emerald green color. Stay with us. Black color. Now we are writing capital letter alphabets A, A for apple. B. B for bat. C. C for cow. D. D for dollhouse. E. E for elephant. F. F. The next one is G. G. H. H for house. I for eyes. Kids, now we're using the color of geranium. Stay with us. Writing the alphabet of J. J. K. The alphabet of K. L. L. M. M. N. N. O. O. P. The next one is Q. Stay with us. Q for queen. Q for queen. Now we're using the color of light violet. Stay with us. Writing the alphabet of R. R for rose, R for rice. S. S for snake. The next one is T. 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 U. The next one is V. V for van. Exactly. W. Watch. W for watch. X. X for Xmas tree. Y. Kids, the next one is Z. Z. Now we're writing numbers 1 to 10. Yellow color. Yellow color. 1. O-N-E 1. 2. T-W-O 2. 3. 3. The next one is 4. F-O-U-R. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. The last one is 10. Thank you so much for watching.